this is Sheetal Chaudhary, your accounts master teacher, and I welcome you all to Commerce. We are here for a better future. Hi Ira. Hi Kiran. Hi Anandika. How are you guys? Girls, kaise ho? How are you everyone? Hello professional gaming, a very good afternoon. Hi Harsh, hello Mahima. We are fine. How's you? I am also fine as you. What about others? Mahima, Harsh, Anandika, Kiran. A very good evening, Anandika. Yes, Harsh, you are exact on time, 4 o'clock. बिल्कुल टाइम पर पधारे हैं आज आप. कैसे हैं आप लोग? How are you all? I am fine, ma'am. Okay, Harsh. Anandika, you? क्या हाल चाल है Anandika, Mahima, Professional Gaming and Kiran? I am waiting since 3:40. Thank you so much, Anandika. Thank you so much. What about you? Same as you, Harsh. I am also fine. Kiran, I am fine. Okay. So everyone is fine, huh? Okay. So this is class 11th accountancy session and today we are going to meet a new chapter. आज हम करेंगे एक नया चैप्टर शुरू. I am fine, Anandika. Fine, professional gaming. Fine, Mahima. So, today we are going to learn a new chapter that is trial balance and it is one of the main chapter. So, आज करेंगे trial balance. That is very important chapter. Hi, Aarti. So, first of all, let me tell you that Disha ma'am had started a proper mentee quiz series that has started from 4th of Jan and that will continue till 14th of Jan. So, be a part of this series to win a personalized certificate and some other gifts. So, अगर आपको जीतने हैं बढ़िया बढ़िया गिफ्ट और सर्टिफिकेट, then do participate in this mentee series at 3 p.m. every day with Disha ma'am. Hi Harsh, hi Abhinav. कैसे हो लड़कों? How are you Harsh, Sindhi and Abhinav? So do participate every day at 3 p.m. with Disha ma'am in this mentee quiz series. And tomorrow is 9th of January and tomorrow's topic for mentee quiz is social responsibility of business and business ethic. So, jaldi se तैयारी कर लो. Yes, professional gaming, I'm sorry. Yesterday I told that we are going to start financial statement, but then I realized it later that the next chapter is trial balance. So we will end this chapter tomorrow, trial balance, and from Monday we will start the financial statement chapter. From Monday we will start it definitely. So, tomorrow's topic for mentee quiz series is social responsibilities of business and business ethic. So, do participate to win some special mention and some special gift. And अगर अभी तक आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जल्दी से जाओ and do subscribe the channel and also do join. Like this video and share this video. So go and subscribe our channel right now and also do like this video and do share this video. Tomorrow is Saturday, na? Yes, tomorrow is Saturday, but what happened if it is Saturday? So what happened if it is Saturday? So, अगर अभी तक आपने टेलीग्राम ग्रुप ज्वाइन नहीं किया है, so go and join the Telegram group also, because we are going to share all the notes in PDF form in this group. So if you want notes, you have to join this group for sure. So jaldi se jao and also do join this group. And अगर आपको चाहिए अच्छे marks, if you guys want to score good marks, then you can take Vedantu Commerce Pro Subscription, in which we are giving you all of these benefits: 5,000 hours of online teaching, tests and assignments containing more than 10,000 questions, continuous review of your areas of improvement, for which there will be more than 20 teachers. Also, we will provide you option in languages. You can choose English or Hindi. And last but not the least, we have different type of courses. Micro course if you want to do individual chapter. If you want to do entire course, then you can take crash course. So all of these benefits for only 2,799 for 1 month. And right now we are giving you flat 20% discount on this Pro subscription. So go and use my code SCPRO to take your Pro subscription at flat 20% discount. Yes, on only Sunday there is no class. We are there for Monday to Saturday for you. Hi Sudoku. Hi. Okay, Malayalam. No, it is not there. So, आज हम क्या करेंगे बच्चों? Today we are going to do trial balance. Which chapter? Trial balance. So, what is the meaning of trial balance? Why are we preparing this trial balance? And what are the limitation and objective of trial balance? We are going to discuss everything in this class. So, what are the... So, first of all, this is first lecture of trial balance and the learning objective. What we are going to cover in this session. आज हम क्या-क्या सीखेंगे? First, meaning of trial balance. Second, objective of trial balance. Third, limitations of trial balance. And then we will do the format of trial balance. Meaning, objective, limitations, and format. So first of all, let's discuss about the most important thing of accounts. Which subject we are studying right now? Accounts. So the most important thing of accounts is accounting cycle. Accounts की सबसे important चीज क्या है? Accounting cycle. What is accounting cycle? What is the process of accounting cycle? Hi, Shruti. Objective question is also there except practical question. Are you asking about anything? Because I'm not getting you, Harsh. So what is accounting cycle? The first step in the accounting cycle, in the accounting process, is to record all the transactions in the journal or subsidiary books. मैम 2 बार गलती से 12th क्लास ज्वाइन कर चुकी हूँ. So this is class 11 guys, don't worry. आपने सही ज्वाइन किया है इस बार श्रुति. So yes Shruti, you are right. The first step in the accounting cycle, in the accounting process is recording. We will record the transactions in journal or subsidiary book. The first step is recording. Yes. And the second step is posting the journal entry to ledger. Posting the journal entries to the respective ledger account. Second step is to post the journal entry in the respective ledger account. हम क्या करेंगे? We will post the journal entries to the respective journal account. Lalita, you are correct, but there is one step before that. The third step in the accounting cycle. The third step in the accounting cycle is to balance all the ledger account. Is to balance all the ledger accounts. Yes, Shruti, you are correct. We will do balancing of ledger accounts in the third step. So first, we will record the transactions into ledger. Second, we will post the journal entries into ledger. Third, we will balance all the ledger account. Hi, Kishori. And the fourth step is to prepare a statement that will record the balances of ledger. That will record these balances. ये सब मैंने पढ़ा ही नहीं है, ये तो फर्स्ट चैप्टर का पार्ट है हर्ष. This is first chapter, Introduction to Accounting. Statement means a format. You will prepare a format in which you will record these balances of ledger. तो आप क्या करोगे? लेजर के बैलेंसेस को रिकॉर्ड करोगे. The fourth step is to prepare a statement. Is to prepare a statement that will record the balances of ledger. Ira, we will do it at the end. So, theory padhi nahi. Theory is also important, Harsh. So, to prepare, the fourth step is to make a statement, is to prepare a statement that will record all the balances of ledger. And this statement is known as trial balance. This statement is known as trial balance. This statement is known as trial balance. So first of all, we record the transactions into journal or subsidiary book. Then we post them into ledger. Then we balance the ledger account. And after that, we will prepare a statement that is known as trial balance. Okay, Harsh. So, trial balance is prepared after balancing of ledger account. अगर हमसे कोई पूछे कि बताओ बच्चों ट्रायल बैलेंस कब बनता है, तो हम क्या बोलेंगे? After balancing of ledger account, we prepare trial balance. And trial balance is prepared. Trial balance is prepared yearly at the end of every year. Trial balance is prepared yearly, annually at the end of every year. हर साल के end पे हमें trial balance बनाना होता है. हाय हिमांशु, हाय जिया, क्या हाल चाल? बढ़िया जिया, आप बताओ. So, now coming on to the main session. So, let's begin this session with the positive thoughts. The greatest religion is to be true to your own nature. Have faith in yourself. the meaning of trial balance? I have already told you the meaning. बस बढ़िया मैम, बड़े जोर शोर से तैयारी चल रही है फाइनल एग्जाम्स की. ऑल द बेस्ट रिया. मेक मी फील प्राउड बाय स्कोरिंग गुड मार्क्स. So, what is trial balance? A trial balance is a statement. मैंने बताया था ना, we prepare statement. So, trial balance is a statement showing the balances or total of debit and credit of all the ledger account with a view to verify the arithmetical accuracy of posting into ledger account. So what is trial balance? It is a statement that records the balances of ledger account. So we can break down this paragraph in 2 points. It is a statement that records all the balances of ledger account. And second point is, it is prepared to verify the arithmetical accuracy of accounts. हम क्यों बनाते हैं ट्रायल बैलेंस? सो दैट वी कैन चेक द अरिथमेटिकल एक्यूरेसी ऑफ द अकाउंट, ताकि हम लोग ये कंफर्म कर सके कि हमारे अकाउंट्स एक्यूरेट हैं, सही है या नहीं है. सो ट्रायल बैलेंस helps you in identifying the arithmetical accuracy of the account. So this is the meaning of trial balance. पक्का मैम, पढ़ना पेपर छूट जाता है, आता हुआ भी रह जाता है, तब आपकी याद, बड़ी याद आती है. तो guys, I will always suggest you to please maintain the speed from starting of the paper, from starting of exam. ऐसे नहीं करना कि स्टार्टिंग में नींद में रहना है, आलस में रहना है. स्टार्टिंग से ही हमें अपनी स्पीड एक्सप्रेस ट्रेन वाली रखनी है, ताकि हमारा पेपर आधे घंटे पहले हो जाए. लेट ना हो, पेपर छूटना नहीं चाहिए, आधे घंटे पहले होना चाहिए. So please maintain your speed from starting of the exam, from the very first minute, ताकि पेपर छूटने के कोई भी चांसेस ना हो. हाथ दुखेगा, पर पेपर में हमें हाथ बहुत तेज चलाना है. It is not called a statement. It is a statement professional gaming. It is not a statement. It is not called a statement. वो होता ही statement है. You are writing the debit and credit balances, so it is statement. We are not calling a statement. वो statement ही है बच्चा. Because you are recording the balances, so what you will call that? It will be known as statement. घर पे कैलकुलेटर यूज नहीं करना. So we are planning, I am planning to make a video for you how to score good marks in accounts. So please watch that video. It will be soon coming live. So do watch that video and try to do those things. फॉर्मेट नीट मत बनाओ, ये हम लोग बात करेंगे थोड़े दिनों बाद. अभी पढ़ते हैं, ये सारी बातें हम करेंगे थोड़े दिनों में करते हैं. So a trial balance is a statement showing the balances or the total of debit and credit of all the ledger account, and it is prepared to verify the arithmetical accuracy of the account. Hello Zia. So the next point is, trial balance is an important statement. Trial balance is an important statement in the accounting process because it shows the financial position of all the account and help in preparing the financial statement. So it is one of the important statement. That's why we are doing this chapter today. Trial balance is important because it helps you in preparing the financial statement. So trial balance is important because it shows the final position of the accounts, and it also helps in preparing the financial position, and it helps in preparing the financial statement. ऋषभ, आप तो फाइनल अकाउंट्स बनाने वाले थे, बट फाइनल अकाउंट्स बनाने से पहले हमें क्या आना चाहिए? ट्रायल बैलेंस आना चाहिए. यस, आपने देख ली HP लैपटॉप अनबॉक्सिंग वीडियोस, या? So this is the meaning of trial balance. Now coming on to the objective of trial balance. Hi Amanpreet. So next topic is objective of trial balance. Why do we prepare the trial balance? हम क्यों बनाते हैं trial balance? Why do we prepare the trial balance? So the first objective that I have already told you, to find out the arithmetical accuracy of ledger account. We want to know that accounts prepared are correct or not. जो हमने books of account बनाई है वो सही है या नहीं है. So to find out the arithmetical accuracy, the calculation mistake, you will prepare trial balance. So first objective, to ascertain the arithmetical accuracy of the ledger accounts. Yes, professional gaming, you are correct, absolutely correct. Next objective is to help in locating errors. अगर आपको अपनी गलतियां ढूंढनी है, if you want to locate your errors, you will prepare trial balance. So if you want to locate errors, if you want to find out errors, then trial balance is prepared. Third, to help in preparation of financial statement, as professional gaming said. So, Sparsh, yesterday we had mentee quiz. We had mentee quiz yesterday. So, the next objective of trial balance is to help in the preparation of financial statement. So these are three objectives of trial balance. To ascertain the arithmetical accuracy, to help in identifying errors, and to help in preparation of financial statement. Is this clear to all of you? Is this clear to all my students? Yes, Parsh. Yes, Rishabh. Yes, Anandika. Professional gaming. Shivani. बाकी बच्चों बताओ जल्दी जल्दी. Yes, Kiran. Yes, Kishori. Okay. So now coming on to the agla topic, next topic. Yes, Vivek. Yes, Aditi. So next is limitations of trial balance. Trial balance के क्या क्या नुकसान है, disadvantages हैं. What are the drawbacks, limitation, disadvantages of trial balance? So the first limitation is it does not prove that all transactions have been recorded. ये आपको ये प्रूफ नहीं करता कि आपने सारी ट्रांजैक्शन रिकॉर्ड कर ली है. It may happen that some transactions are omitted, are not recorded, and trial balance is equal. So ट्रायल बैलेंस आपको ये नहीं बताएगा कि आपने ट्रांजैक्शन रिकॉर्ड नहीं करी. So it may match in case of omission. So it does not prove that all transactions have been recorded. Yes, Shruti, two-sided errors. ऑफेंस का मीनिंग क्या होता है? ऑफेंस का मीनिंग होता है आपने कुछ गलत काम किया है. Yes, does not reveal all the errors. Next limitation is it does not prove that ledger is correct. It does not prove that your ledger is correct. And third and the main limitation, numerous errors may exist. बहुत सारी गलतियां होने के बाद भी the trial balance will match. So after numerous error, the trial balance may match. So what is the main limitation? That it does not show that transactions are recorded, all the transactions are recorded, and trial balance से error find कैसे कर सकते हैं? Saika, if the trial balance is not equal, then you can identify your error. The only way to find out the error through trial balance is the equal or match wala thing. If the trial balance does not match, if it does not agree, then there are some mistake. Yes, only calculations are checked. So, trial balance, if the trial balance does not match, then there are surely some mistake. Then there are 100% error. But if trial balance is equal, if trial balance match, then it does not prove that all the accounts are correct. क्योंकि ट्रायल बैलेंस मैच होने के बाद भी गलतियां होती हैं, because there are types of error which are not disclosed by trial balance. So there are some errors which are not disclosed by trial balance. Kishori, ledger is a particular chapter, bacha. And the last limitation is it cannot protect or rectify the error of principal, of omission, of commission. So these are the errors which you cannot identify with the help of trial balance. Yes, Saika, ये class daily होती है. I daily take class at 4 p.m. Every day you can catch me live at same time 4 p.m. So, trial balance does not rectify, does not identify error of principal, error of commission, error of omission. These are the limitations of trial balance. Please take a minute to read all these 4 points again. Okay, किशोरी, तो बच्चों जल्दी से इन सारे पॉइंट्स को एक बार और पढ़ लो ताकि ये अच्छे से आपको समझ आ जाए. Hi Himani, I am all good. What about you? What is error of commission? Please watch our chapter rectification of error. Please watch the classes of rectification of error. We have completed this chapter, and in this chapter I have explained each type of error. So those students who have not watched the chapter rectification of error, please do watch that. उसमें मैंने सब कुछ समझाया है. एरर ऑफ प्रिंसिपल क्या होता है, एरर ऑफ कमीशन क्या होता है, एरर ऑफ ओमिशन क्या होता है. Yes, Manya. Vedantu started with commerce. So these were the limitations of trial balance. Now coming on to the format of trial balance. How many chapters have been completed by you? Almost every chapter is completed by us. We are now going to complete the syllabus by 28th of Jan. Only the chapters ledger, financial statement and single entry are left. We are left with only 3 chapters: financial statement and single entry and ledger. Because Imani, फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट हम ट्रायल बैलेंस के बिना नहीं कर सकते. We have to get the knowledge of trial balance before financial statement. So this is the format of trial balance. There are 4 columns. Particular, LF, ledger folio, debit balance and credit balance. There are 4 columns: particular, LF, debit balance and credit balance. So, in particulars, you will write down the name of account. In particulars, we write down the name of all account. In LF, we write down the page number of ledger. In LF, ledger folio, we write down the page number of ledger. In debit balance, we write down the debit balances. Yes, LF आपके लिए syllabus में नहीं है, आप उसको use नहीं करोगे. In debit balance, you will write down the debit balances, and in credit balance, you will write down the credit balances. You will write down the credit balances. Now, I am going to help you with some guidelines that will help you in trial balance. अब हम कुछ rules करने वाले हैं जो trial balance में आपको बहुत मदद करने वाले हैं. So now I am going to prepare some handwritten notes. So please note down them. So now you have to note down these rules that I am writing for you guys. So चलिए note down करते हैं. Take out your pen and pencil and notebooks. So, according to traditional approach, there are 3 types of account. First we are taking personal account. According to traditional approach, there are 3 types of account: personal, real and nominal. According to personal account, there are 2 persons: debtor and creditor. So you will always debit the debtor and credit the creditor. You will always debit the debtor and credit the creditor, because debtor is asset and creditor is liability. So according to personal account, debit the debtor and credit the creditor, because debtor is an asset and creditor is liability. According to traditional approach, the second type of account is real account. According to traditional approach, the second type of account is a real account. And real account says that all the assets will be debited. So according to real account, you will debit all the assets. You will debit all the assets. So according to real account, we will debit all the assets. And we come with the last nominal account. And here we come with the last nominal account. according to nominal account, all expenses and losses are to be debited and all income and gain are to be credited. So these are some important rules. All assets debited according to real account and according to nominal account. All expenses and losses are to be debited and all income and gains are to be credited. So we will write the amount of debtor on the debit side, amount of creditor on the credit side. We will write the amount of all the assets on the debit side. We will write the amount of expenses and losses on the debit side, debit column, and the amount of income and gain on the credit column. Is real account never credited? No, it is never ever credited. Never ever credited. Now coming on to some accounts related to goods. Some accounts related to goods. So some accounts are purchases. Some accounts related to goods are opening stock, purchases, purchase return, sales, sales return, and closing stock. So these are some another accounts. Cash account is credited because you are making payment, but in trial balance, it will be never credited. It will be only credited if the ledger account is given. It depends on the ledger account that which balance is given. Generally, it only have debit balance, but it may have, cash will never have credit balance. It is credited in journal entry, not in the trial balance. Cash is credited in the journal entry, not in the trial balance. रियल में तो फॉर्मूला है ना, what goes out, वो जब out जाएगा तब क्रेडिट होगा. You guys are right. जब out जाएगा तब क्रेडिट होगा. When the asset will go out, then it will be credited. I am telling about when it comes in, it will always be debited. So it depends on it is coming in or it is going out. Yes, we'll tell you about that also, Anantika. We'll come to that. First, let's discuss these accounts. Opening stock will be debited. Opening stock will be debited because opening stock is asset. Purchases will also be debited because purchases is expense. Purchase debit, purchase return will be opposite of purchase. Purchase return will be opposite of purchase. It will be credited, and purchase return is income. Purchase return is income, so it will be credited. शिवानी, मैं बता रही हूं कि ये अकाउंट आप ट्रायल बैलेंस में कौन सी साइड रिकॉर्ड करोगे. You will write the amount of these on the debit side or the credit side. So the amount of opening stock we will write on the debit column. Amount of purchases in the debit column. Amount of purchase return in the credit column. Amount of sale, credit. Amount of sale will be credited because it is income. Sales return, opposite of sales. Sales return, opposite of sales. It will be debit because it is expense. And last but not the least, closing stock. What we will do with closing stock? We will not record this. Closing stock is not recorded in the trial balance. Guys, closing stock is not recorded in the trial balance, and this is the mistake that you will do. We will record closing stock in the financial statement, in the final statement. It is not recorded in the trial balance. So please revise all these accounts again. Anandika, it is only recorded in the trial, it is only recorded in the final statements. So revise these, guys. Give me 1 minute, guys. Drinks break. Kishori, debit. Anandika, why? Closing balance is not recorded in the trial balance because closing stock is a part of purchases. Closing stock is a part of purchases. So we have already recorded purchases. If we will record closing stock also, it will get double recording. अगर हम उसको ट्रायल बैलेंस में रिकॉर्ड कर लेंगे, इट विल बी डबल रिकॉर्डेड. तो हमें वो 2 बार रिकॉर्ड नहीं करना. Closing stock is a part of purchases. Closing stock are the goods which are unsold. So it is part of purchases. If you will record them in trial balance, it will be double recorded. So आपको double record नहीं करना. Therefore, it is not recorded in the trial balance. So closing stock is not recorded in the trial balance. Now coming on to some unique accounts. First is bad debt. Bad debt is a loss, so it will be debited. Bad debt is a loss, so it will be debited. Bad debt recovery. Bad debt recovery. It is an income. It is income. So it will be credited. Bad debt recovery is income. It will be credited. And last is depreciation. Depreciation is expense. So it will be debited. It will be debited. Now, इसके बाद बतानी है बहुत जरूरी चीज, तो जल्दी से इन 3 आइटम्स को पढ़ो. बैड डेट रिकवरी एंड डेप्रिसिएशन. एंड ऑल्सो रिजर्व्स. Reserves will be credited. Reserves will be credited. It is a part of liability. So reserves will be credited. Ma'am, I have any issue related to previous chapter where I can ask those. You can ask your doubts in the comment box of those chapter. Creditors will be credited. Yes, I have told you that in personal account. Debtor, debit, creditor, credit. So bad debt, debit, bad debts recovery, credit, depreciation, debit, reserves, credit. Is this clear? Is this clear, guys? Okay. Now we have two things. That is very, very, very important. We have rent and interest. And we have rent payable and interest payable. So will we record them on the same side? We have rent and interest. Yes, Harsh, reserve will be credited. We have rent and interest. Also, we have rent payable and interest payable. Will we record both of them on the same side? Tell me. Reserves means profit retained in the business. Reserve is the profit that is not taken by the owner, that is kept in the business. वो प्रॉफिट जो आपने ओनर को नहीं दिया, बिजनेस में ही रख लिया, दैट इज नोन एज रिजर्व. रिजर्व इज द अनडिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड प्रॉफिट. So let me tell you the difference. Rent and interest is expense. And yes, Misha, it will be debited. Rent and interest is expense and it will be debited. But rent payable and interest payable. Payable means liability. So rent payable, liability, rent payable and interest payable is a liability and it will be credited. So ये हमें ध्यान से देखना है that rent is expense and rent payable is a liability. Interest is expense, interest payable is a liability. So these are the items that will help you in preparation of trial balance. So is this clear to everyone? Okay, Shruti. Yes, Anandika. Yes, Krishna. So I have already told you about the format. So now we have completed this introduction part. Now tomorrow we will do some questions of trial balance. Now tomorrow we are going to do questions of trial balance. So that's it for today. हिमानी आपके comments okay दिखाता बस हिमानी मुझे और कुछ नहीं दिखा. So, if you guys want to do more about trial balance, if you want to learn more about trial balance, then you can take our Vedantu Commerce Pro Subscription, in which we are giving you all of these benefits only for 2,799 for 1 month. So, you can use my code SCPRO to take your Pro Subscription at flat 20% off. So go and grab your Pro Subscription right now at flat 20% off. And अगर अभी तक आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जल्दी से जाओ and चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो. Go and subscribe the channel. Also do like this video. Come on, go and like this video and do share this with your friends. This chapter will be completed by tomorrow. You're welcome, Shruti. So guys, also join our Telegram group if you want the notes in the PDF form. Now, stay tuned for the next lecture. See you all in the next class tomorrow at 4 p.m. Same time, same jagah. हिमानी 13th को एग्जाम है, ऑल द बेस्ट हिमानी। सो कल मिलते हैं 4 बजे, सेम टाइम सेम जगह। जाओ मत, गाना गाते हैं गाना। पानी वानी पी ले, गाना गा देते हैं फिर। You're welcome, Kishori. So, here I sing the song. सारी सारी रात मेरे सपने च आना है, एनी क्यूट लगा रोज मिलन नु आना है। सारी सारी रात मेरे सपने च आना है, एनी क्यूट लगा रोज मिलन नु आना है। मेरे कोले आके गल्ला नु टच करे, मेरे कोले आके गल्ला नु टच करे। कहंदे तू ही चाहिदी मैनू, मैं तो ब्याह करवो ना तेरे नाल है, मैं तो ब्याह करवो ना तेरे नाल है। जिंदगी दा गुजारा तेरे नाल है। वाओ, सो हिमानी, आपको पता था मुझे ये सॉन्ग सुनना है, आपके लिए याद करा मैंने ये सॉन्ग। नेहू दा ब्याह आज फाइनली गा ही दिया। So, thank you Ayush, thank you everyone, thank you Krishna, thank you Kishori. So thank you everyone for watching this session. I hope that you guys like this session. So please give it a thumbs up, do like this video and do share this with all of your friends. For now, good night, have sweet dreams and take care. See you all tomorrow at same time 4 PM. You're welcome श्रुति। तो कल मिलते हैं 4 बजे सेम जगह पे क्वेश्चंस के साथ। Till then, take care guys. Bye bye.